what did you think of the intro? Quite cool, eh? I had someone put that together. I thought it looked quite cool. So yeah, where have I been? More to the point, where's the Mini? Anyway, I've not been well for the last couple of weeks. I haven't been able to record because I've had a really bad chest infection with the weather. Not been very well, but I'm not feeling too bad now. I've started recording a couple of videos, mods to do on the Mini. Maybe I can put those together now. Now I got my voice back because I weren't able to talk because I had a really sore throat. Anyway, more to the point, where's the Mini? As you all know, I've had problems with this intercooler I've had fitted. The pipe kept popping off on the cold side. I had stronger clamps put on, thought that was fantastic. I got it back to my house, and that's when I've been ill. So yeah, the car's been sat there, has been used. Kids are now back in school. Me and the wife thought that we'd go and do a bit of running around in the Mini, give it a bit of a run. Unfortunately, things didn't go smoothly, shall we say. So yeah, I took it all the way down to Cardiff, which is a good hour's drive from me. We done what we had to do, done the running around. On the way back, I was coming up to A470, I was near Corridon, and I had the feeling like the brakes was being put on. It was slowing down. I had to go 5th gear. Mind you, I was doing nearly 60 in 6th gear, just strolling along. Anyway, yeah, I had the feeling that the brakes were being put on. The pedals died. Feeling really strange. I was pressing it and not much was happening. By the time I got to Pontypridd, I lost all power. I had nothing. Pedal was dead. I was pressing the throttle, nothing. But it would idle. It'd start up and it would idle, but you couldn't rev it. So yeah, I had that picked up. My boys down at SWSS. Cheers to you lot down there. Yeah, they've had the car for the past week. Yeah, I've had a couple of jobs done on top of finding out what was wrong with it. I'm on my way down there now to go and pick up the car. We're going to find out exactly what the issue was. Did he explain something? It was something to do with another pipe backwards of the intercooler. I think it was more on the turbo side. They said something about the pipe was slipping on one side and causing a boost leak. So yeah, I'm going to find out exactly what that was. While I've had the car, I've had a nice service. What else have I had done? I had the regen, the DPF regen done. So that was good. They're taking it for a test drive. They're telling me it's fine now and it drives absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I'm going to be heading down there in a little while. I'll see what I can record and then I'll resume the video. So yeah, without further ado, I'm off now to go and pick up the Mini. Let's see exactly what was wrong with it. Okay guys, so right, back at SWSS. We're here. Total bill was 208.19. They carried out the investigation, find out why I had a performance fault. They checked the EGR, checked the air math. Diesel filter was clogged. They had to force it to do the regen because apparently I got a problem with one of my glow plugs. So we're going to sort that at another time. They also had to put a bit of fuel in. Whoops. Yeah, so they done all that. Put some fuel in, changed the oil filter, fuel filter. Yeah. Let's get this thing home and hopefully I don't have any issues. Later, guys. Okay, guys, so car's back. Told me that it's the pipe coming from the turbo around to this side of the intercooler. It's a very funny shaped sort of pipe. They told me there's a bit that keeps popping off. At the moment they've put a glue on it, stuck it on, put the really strong clamp on. Hope and pray that holds. If not, I may have to get a custom pipe made up. Yeah, if they told me that it's over boosting, but on the drive home it feels very, I don't know how to say, it's not as perky as it was. It was a real nippy car. Now it seems very, I don't know, mellow, should I say. Seems different. I don't know if it's because it's the regen or the jar valve has been cleared. They cleaned all that, done the regen on the DPF. Yeah, if anyone else knows what that could be, let us know. Drop something in the comments so I get some sort of idea. But yeah, it looks like this car, I'm going to have a custom bit of silicone piping made. If anyone knows anyone who could do that, that'd be great, because what I might do is take it down to them, they can get that pipe off, and then I'm going to have a stronger one, silicone pipe made. That's a lot stronger than the factory OEM pipe. So yeah, there it is, guys, back at home. I could do a couple more mods while I'm waiting. You have to get a bit of funds made up, ready for having that pipe made. But anyway, cheers, guys, and catch you on the next video. Ta-da.